It's time for Easy Growing with the Apple House. Here's Tom Cummins with planting tips for spring.
Hi everyone and welcome to Easy Growing. This is Tom Cummins with the Apple House, home of the Blooms Brothers. We're going to talk about perennials today. These versatile plants can really be utilized in almost any phase of the landscape, whether it's full shady areas to hot sunny areas. There's something to solve that problem for you, or anything in between. One thing about perennials versus an annual is that they tend to have a defined bloom period, regardless of whether it's spring, summer, fall, or late fall types of perennials. They don't generally bloom all season long, so when you're planting a perennial garden, try to pick ones that are coming and going, and that way you have a continuous flow of color within your landscape. Another group of plants to consider are ground covers. They come in a wide array of textures and colors. Many of them bloom and add a lot of depth to the landscape and can be used in really tough spots like hillsides, walkways, things of that nature, and they really do a great job for you in the landscape. The other thing to keep in mind is many perennials, folks like them for their texture or their color of their leaves or their foliage, and they don't necessarily have a magnificent flower, but their foliage is what the striking part of the plant is and makes it very interesting to be in the landscape. This has been Tom Cummins, and I'll see you again next week on Easy Growing.
For more planting tips, be sure to watch Easy Growing next week or visit us online at theapplehouse.com.